Peter says, we have been using mostly the keyword pressure washing on our website. Recently, when we checked our local rankings, we were doing very well for that keyword. However, for term power washing, which seems to get more search volume, we were doing very poorly. It seems the Google algorithm does not understand that the two keywords are semantically the same. The service page has both keywords sprinkled into it. Is there a way to get the algorithm to understand the two keywords are the same? Yeah, optimize for the topic and not the keyword. Okay. I'm not going to go deep into this, guys, because this is mastermind stuff, but I am going to very quickly, and you will have to try to infer what I am trying to convey without conveying it, without actually saying it, because it's only stuff that I talk about in the mastermind. But just take a look at this. If we go look at power washing, Wikipedia, okay, pressure washing is the topic. Pressure washing is the topic. Do you understand? So you can see that there is a relationship between power washing and power washing, pressure washing, and power washer. There's a relationship. We're using Google to show us what are the entities, topics, whatever you want to call them, that are associated with this term, according to Wikipedia, which Google trained its large language model in large part on. Right? Do you understand? Like, Wikipedia is one of the largest influencers of Google's large language model. So what I always do is go to Google and search for the keywords associated with the industry that I'm trying to optimize for, and then append Wikipedia to the search term. Okay. Then it shows sorted by relevance, how relevant the named entities are to the search query, sorted by relevance. So you go in and you plug in keywords that are associated with your industry, append Wikipedia, click search, and start getting an understanding of how Google understands those topics within the industry, right? It's sorted by relevance. And then you optimize for the topic so that you can rank one page for all of the keywords associated with that topic or the category, even if the keyword doesn't appear on the page. No kidding, because Google, look, guys, Google understands language better than we do, right? All the large language models do now, better than we do, right? So Google has all of this cached, stored in its memory. What is, I probably already clicked through to that one. So let's click through to the next one. What are all the keywords associated with this topic? They're on this page, some of them. Now, this is in a very thorough page, but you see how it says pressure washing or power washing? Now, if you're optimizing for a keyword, and I'm not going to go beyond this, if you're optimizing for a keyword, you're going to rank for that keyword or variants of that keyword. If you optimize for the topic or the Google business category, you can rank for all of the keywords associated with the topic or the category, even if it's not present on the page. And I know SEOs have a hard time believing that, but there's a difference between keyword optimization and topic optimization or category optimization. I'm not going to go any further than that. Okay. Try to glean what I'm trying to share here without that, if that makes sense. Anyway, power washer redirects to pressure washing. So they are synonymous, but are you optimizing for keywords or topics and categories? My guess is it's keywords. And again, I can't go any deeper than that here, guys. Sorry. Hopefully that's clear.